An agent that just auto-approves and auto-denies everything will sooner or later confidently refund a fraudster or reject a real customer. The dangerous failure is not a slow agent, it is an autopilot that acts when it should have stopped. As you can see here, this little gate is the whole idea. The routine requests flow straight through, the risky ones get caught and held. So I built Gatekeeper on Qwen, an autopilot that shows when to stop. Here is a real queue of refund requests. Each one has the amount, the item condition, the customer's reason, the days since purchase, and their history. I hit run, and Gatekeeper takes each one to Qwen, which reasons over your refund policy and returns a decision. Approve, deny, or escalate with a confidence score and its reasoning. Here you can see the queue resolves itself. A green card and a red card here. The clear cases it just handles. This damaged item inside the window is for first-time buyer, auto-approved in green. This used item was returned after 41 days, past the window, auto-denied in red. And it cites the exact policy reason. That is the routine work, gone, no human needed. And then here we go to the amber cards. Now the interesting ones, in amber, an $899 laptop, a customer with 4 refunds in the last 30 days. Gatekeeper does not guess on these. It refuses to act and escalates them to human with the reasoning and the risk flags attached. Here is the whole thesis in one card. This is a $1240 TV. Qwen looked at it and decided to approve at 95% confidence, but Gatekeeper held it back and escalated it instead. Why? Because restraint here is not just asked for in the prompt, it is enforced in code. A deterministic guardrail sits on top of the model, high value, low confidence, or fraud flag, and the auto action is blocked every single time. So a confidently wrong model can never auto action a risky refund. As you can see in the header, most resolved automatically, the rest escalated, and the ones the guardrail caught stopped. And then over here, you can keep going down and you'll see a human review queue, but also you can try your own request. And this is not canned data. There is a box where you type any scenario and it runs live through Qwen right now. A $1,500 item escalated because it is over the limit, over the time limit. The agent is really reasoning whatever input or whatever parameters you give it. Under the hood, Qwen Cloud is the reasoning engine called through the OpenAI-compatible endpoint with structured JSON. The restraint guardrail is deterministic TypeScript. It is a completely coded agent, and I built the whole thing solo with Claude Code. This is Gatekeeper. It clears the routine work and raises its hand on the risky calls. The autopilot you can trust because it knows its limits. Thank you for watching.